morning, good afternoon, everybody in the world. We are right in Kondola Verite TV. Right now, I'm in front of this shop. I will meet somebody, and then the guy is close to me. Hello, sir. How are you?
Hello, sir. How are you?
Yeah. How are you, sir? What is your name, sir?
My name is Rodrigue Innocent.
Let's check Kondola Verite TV. Check the camera that side. We are in front of Kondola Verite. Everybody in the world that are watching us, on the continent, everywhere in Vanderbijl. And exactly now, we are close to the 6 o'clock in Vanderbijl. Now I'm here. Can you introduce yourself, please, my brother? Introduce yourself. Can you introduce yourself? We are in front of Kondola Verite TV.
My name is Innocent Rodrigue.
Okay.
The job I'm doing here,
Okay.
fix phones.
Okay.
We buy phones,
Yes.
second hand.
Okay.
We sell second hand phones.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the job
Check
I'm doing.
people there,
Yeah.
people in the world, and exactly people from Vanderbijl, from Three Rivers, Fernareng, Sibukenge, everywhere in Vanderbijl. They are busy watching you. Can you explain to them what are you doing in your shop exactly here?
Exactly in the shop. It's fixing phones.
Yes.
We fix phones in a few seconds.
Okay.
40 minutes,
Okay.
we are done.
Okay.
You take your phone, you go. We
Okay.
don't tell you tomorrow or later, Tuesday, what, same time.
Is it some stuff like laptops and or TVs? Did you touch also about the TVs? I don't
I'll
know.
go for laptops. I'll touch laptops for screen.
Because what I know
Yeah.
is the most people who's fixing this stuff, they are Pakistan. And
Yeah.
What's happened is the African guy now busy fixing this.
This job, I'm Malawian.
Okay,
Through Malawian born.
okay,
I came in South Africa 2010.
okay,
This job I learned in Malawi.
okay,
When I came here,
okay,
I worked for Indians.
okay,
I worked for them
okay,
3 years.
okay,
I worked for them for 3 years.
okay,
When I see they're using me,
okay,
I start opening my own shop.
okay,
Baba,
okay.
this is Jipro Junction.
I can see this guy, this is a clever African guy. As we came to innovate the job of African guys, we are here with Rodrigue. Rodrigue, explain to the people we are exactly now, the address, your numbers. Explain to everybody in front of me, please.
My number is 078 44
Okay,
23
okay,
191.
okay,
This is my shop.
okay,
I fix a phone.
okay,
Same time.
okay,
You wait
Okay.
in 40 minutes.
okay.
In 40 minutes,
Okay.
I'll done with a shop.
Can you repeat again your number, your
My
cell phone number?
Okay, okay.
Yes.
078
Okay,
44
okay,
23
okay,
191.
okay. Repeat it again, repeat it again.
078
Okay,
44
okay,
23
okay,
191.
okay. The address exactly in front of
Address in Vanderbijl.
Okay,
The old shop
okay,
outside there.
okay,
DF Marani Street.
Okay.
New Captain Bank.
Okay.
In the passage.
Okay.
Opposite so Golden Bay.
Okay.
You'll find me there.
okay. We are. Can you tell them that we are right now in Kondola Verite TV?
We are here in Kondola Positive TV right now.
Okay,
This is the way you can get help easily, faster,
and
same
then
day.
your last word. If there's some people you can.
My last word,
Yes.
you will see my customers.
Okay.
Now,
Eh,
how many customers I have in the shop?
okay. And then let's go inside the shop.
Inside the shop.
Inside the shop. We are here inside the vista. I can see how you busy operating here. What's happening here inside here?
Inside here, what we're doing is fixing phones.
Okay,
We sell second-hand phones.
okay,
Yeah,
okay,
it's what we're doing.
okay. It looks so. I don't understand. What is this?
This is a machine we use to fix phones.
Okay,
This side is a blower. This side is a soldering.
okay,
These things, the one who help us more to fix phones. Without this thing, you can't tell yourself that you are fixing phones.
What is the good news for the people who's living in Vanderbijl? What are you telling them as an African guy? What are you telling them according to your job?
My job, as I told earlier on, I fix phone in the same day.
Okay.
I don't keep people coming, same day. You bring the same day, you have the cash. I fix the phone same day, take my cash, it's fine.
What is your shop name exactly? Can you tell?
The shop name is the best in town. This shop is 3-in-1.
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 Okay.
We cut hair,
Yeah.
we do hair people, we do dreads,
Yes.
we braid hair,
Okay.
plus fixing phone. 3-in-1.
Yes.
The best in town.
Repeat again your number. I want everybody who's living in Vanderbijl, everywhere in Vanderbijl, Sibuking, everywhere, Meatan, everywhere, yeah. Give them your number and exactly.
The number is 078 44 23 191.
Yeah, and tell them that we are right now in Kondola
We are right now in Kondola TV. If you call that number, just go, where's Innocent? You find Innocent.
Thank you everybody in the world who's watching now. Kondola Verite. We are exactly now in Vanderbijl. Bye bye. Kondola Verite TV is #1 in the world. We are the best. We are the best.
We are the best. Number 1.
We are the best. We are the best.